Hey, my name is Yolanda Brooks and I'm your wallpaper consultant and interior decorator. Because they spark joy and imagination. Powerful and transformative design choices that you can make. This is actually quite nice.
Yeah.
And then you have your accessories that would be like in that wood.
Right. Yeah.
This would be actually quite nice.
Very nice.
Because it creates a bold visual impact. It adds depth and dimension to a space. It's all about layering different patterns, and wallpaper is the secret to pull it off. Minimalism is having a major moment, but not in the cold, clinical way it used to. Today, minimalism is warm, organic, and textured. And wall coverings, they're leading the charge. Let's get this straight. Minimalism in 2025 isn't about stripping away everything you love. It's about thoughtful choices, timeless materials, and creating a sanctuary, not a showroom. And wall coverings are redefining what that looks like. We're seeing natural texture, soft earth tones, and quiet patterns that add depth without distraction. So let's talk specifics. These are the top minimalist wall covering trends we're seeing everywhere, from high-end homes to boutique hotels. Textured neutrals, linen, grass cloth, monochrome murals, large-scale tone-on-tone graphics, subtle geometric patterns in clay, stone, and sand, metallics, soft gold brush bronze for quiet glam, wood veneer wall coverings, Japandi-inspired natural wood. For too long, we've been told that dark walls are scary and that they make a room feel small and underwhelming. But what if I told you the opposite is true? That embracing a dark and moody palette, especially with wallpaper, is your secret weapon for creating a space that feels calm, safe, intimate, and unbelievably sophisticated. Let's talk about the key to getting this look right. The right wallpaper. This is where you can truly set the tone. It's not just about painting a wall dark. It's about adding a layer of texture and depth that is simply irresistible. Faux textures, wallpapers with a velvet or suede finish, or those that mimic textures like grass cloth or faux leather, add a tactile quality that feels unbelievably luxurious and rich. For a sleek, modern look, choose solid wallpaper in colors like deep charcoal, matte black, or navy. The texture provides a visual interest that paint alone can't match. Bold prints. For those who want more drama, look for large-scale floral prints. Intricate damasks or modern geometrics in a dark color palette. A touch of metallic, like gold or copper, can add a beautiful shimmer that catches the light in a stunning way. Now for the colors. Forget plain black. We're talking about rich jewel tones like emerald green, sophisticated earth tones like charcoal and chocolate brown, and deep classic colors like sapphire blue and aubergine. These colors provide a powerful yet calming foundation for your space. You've heard of drenching, right? Where you cover a whole room in one single pattern or color. Well, pattern drenching it's more expensive, more vibrant cousin. It's the art of layering different patterns. Florals with stripes, geometrics with animal prints, damask with chintz in a single room to create a cohesive, immersive, and a visually stunning space. We're talking patterns on the walls, on the furniture, in your accessories, and maybe even on the ceiling. When you use wallpaper as your foundation, you're already one half the battle. You're working from a place of beauty and intention. Rule number 1, choose a unifying element. This is the secret sauce. It could be a color palette, a theme, or even just the overall vibe. When you anchor your patterns with one of these elements, they'll always look intentional. Well, stripe drenching is its sophisticated yet equally bold cousin. It's the art of layering multiple striped patterns in a single room to create a cohesive, immersive, and virtually stunning space. It's a maximalist approach where stripes are used so intentionally, they almost act like a neutral. The goal is to create a dynamic room that feels layered and intentional, not chaotic. Because we're diving deep into animal motifs on wallpaper. And this isn't just about cute kittens. I mean, we all love kittens. This is about harnessing ancient wisdom and modern design to create spaces that truly serve you. What do these magnificent creatures symbolize? Woodland creatures like foxes, deer, bears, and owls. Think about it. A graceful deer, a wise owl, and a playful fox. These evoke innocence, tranquility, wisdom, and a cozy connection to the natural world. They're best suited in, oh my goodness, nurseries, children's rooms are obvious wins. They spark imagination, but don't sleep on them for a cozy living room, a serene bedroom, or even a charming powder room. Safari and jungle animals like lions, tigers, zebras, elephants. Now we're talking bold. Lions scream strength, courage, and leadership. Tigers are all about power and independence. Zebras, think individuality and balance. Elephants are symbols of wisdom, good fortune, and loyalty. Horses, the majestic horse. These beautiful creatures symbolize power, freedom, strength, grace, nobility, and success. In many cultures, they're also linked to perseverance and progress, a truly inspiring motif. Equestrian-themed wallpapers are fantastic for a home office to inspire focus and drive. A sophisticated living room or even a bedroom, they fit perfectly into equestrian chic or classic interior design. Fish. Koi fish, in particular, symbolize good fortune, perseverance, and strength. Tropical fish bring vibrancy, diversity, and immense tranquility. Best suited, naturally, bathrooms and powder rooms are fantastic. But don't stop there. Think meditation spaces, or even a calming accent in a living room for a truly zen decor. Whales and dolphins. These majestic creatures represent wisdom, communication, harmony, and the vastness of the sea. They created a sense of serene, majestic grandeur, perfect for a nautical-themed bedroom, a calming nursery, or even sophisticated study. Install day. We're using a peel and stick wallpaper from Auto Studio. I'm noticing that we have a lot of extra here. So, I think I might do something just to add a little bit more visual interest. I think I might add it to the stairs and create a really nice flow coming in, a nice cohesive flow that goes right up the stairs. I think this is also a great option if you want to cover marks on your stairs. You may want to think of doing like a peel and stick. Once I have a good mix of textures, shapes, and finishes, I start layering soft textiles, warm wood accents, and a few metallic touches for balance. The key is to let the wallpaper shine while you're using decor to enhance the overall story of the room. Here's the final transformation, from blank walls to a beautifully styled, personality-filled space. It's amazing what wallpaper and a few thoughtful pieces can do.